Okay, so to get started with Photoshop Halftone, drag the image, click on the image, then go to Adjustments. If you don't have this, then go under to Window, Enable Adjustments. Okay, so the first step is, so if you can't have access to this after you contribute to Adjustments, make sure you go to Image, Mode, and then change this to 32-bit, since I was on 8-bit and RGB color. And if you can't adjust this, just make sure you right-click on your image and click Rasterize. Go to Image, Adjustments, and then Desaturate, and then click on Adjustments and Levels. And right here, make sure this is 0, 1.30, and do this the same. And then go here and click Curves, and then scroll down here, and then at the bottom right, click a point in. The middle goes down here, so where it's right, it makes it darker. And then go up, and then at the bottom top right, click in the middle, and drag it like that. And as you can see, this creates a point. And see about 2 adjustments, add a brightness and a contrast. Make that 80, make that 50. Then go back to adjustments and locate where it says exposure right here. Click on that, make this 0.1, and then negative 0.1. We have an image like that. Again, you can mess around with the settings. If it's too dark for you, feel free to offset this and make it more exposed like that. Okay, the next part here is, this is the cool part. Go under to filter and make sure that it's still selected. If the filter is still selected, go to filter gallery and click add, as you already have it added here. But if you don't fit it, find it under texture. It's green right here in the mess around with the intensity. Let's keep this intense. Let's say 60, and then the contrast, let's say equal to 60. And now as you can see, reticulation, and it didn't add. You can actually go down here and click at the effect, new layer, add grain. Make sure there's grain, again, same setting, 60, 50, reticulation, go back, and then under sketch, click right here, halftone pattern. Okay, this is the halftone pattern right here. You can adjust it. You can make it more contrast. As you see, it adds more of a punch, and drag it like this. And then the size comes down like this. Let's say 5, and then contrast around like 40, and then click OK. Okay, as you can see, it kind of added a halftone, but it's not super noticeable when we zoom in. And hey, if you're not satisfied, then you can go under here, click this gradient map, and it's going to change it into something like this. If you don't have it, it's under this right here. Okay, and then go back to filter, filter gallery, and basically just add the same settings that we had before. It should already be here, and click OK. And now it adds it on, and then go under to here, under layers, and we can do this under overlay. And we can add the color dodge from this case. We'll do an overlay, or it's really up to you at this point. You can change it however you want. We'll do an overlay and see how it's a little bit more apparent. So this is the before, and this is the after. Check out more videos like this and subscribe and follow the channel.